Hiccups. Martin, can you punch me in the face?
Fuck! Better? Have you tried lifting the salt lamp? Have you tried standing on one foot on a chair singing the national anthem?
Oh, say, can you see?
Oh, no, the Slovakian one?
Na tatro sa bliskaro mi divo piju.
Have you tried drinking water from the other side of the cup? Have you tried holding your breath?
Fuck.
Have you tried carbs? I was just at the beach the other day and I was feeling like some hot chips, so I decided to go to just the downtown and I was just deciding between Macca's and Hungry Jack's, you know, because they have pretty good chips there. But all of a sudden this kangaroo jumps out and I just can't go to either of them. But in the end I decided to just head to Woolies, and you know what, I actually found this Australian licorice is pretty good. You should try that. Have you tried putting a paper towel on top of a cup and then drinking from it?
No.
Oh, have you tried stabbing a cat?
Yes, I did.
Have you tried playing a game? Have you tried capturing the tailed beasts and strategically deploying them to eventually take over the world?
Yes, I tried that.
Have you tried... Pick that up. Do you need any help, Martin? No, we're all good, Martin. Okay, Martin. Bye, Martin. Bye, Martin. Have you tried putting a glass of water on the floor? Alright, well, we can figure that out later. Have some dinner. You're grown now. It's good for your bones. Your great grandfather had great bones. Try some.
Wait. They're gone. Martin, they're gone!